How to back up your iPhone to iCloud? Let's learn in this video. Hey guys, I'm Abhishek and you are watching TechReview. In order to back up your iPhone to iCloud, you will need to go to the settings. Here you will get all the options related to settings, but you will need to tap on this Apple ID icon. So tap on this Apple ID section and from here you will get all the various details regarding your Apple ID. But since we are here to learn how to back up iPhone to iCloud, so we will tap on iCloud. After tapping on iCloud, you will get various details about your Apple ID iCloud account. How much space you are already using and how much space are free here. So in order to back up our iPhone, we'll need to scroll down and from here we need to select device backups. Under that there is option iCloud backup. So tap on this. You will need to tap on this backup this iPhone option and turn it on. You will get a pop-up saying turning on backup. When your iCloud backup is turned on, you will get another more options like backup over cellular. So if you want to back up your iPhone on your cellular data, if you are using unlimited 5G or you have unlimited bandwidth your mobile plan, so you can also enable this setting if you want to back up your iPhone over cellular. After that there is the option all device backup. So tap on this. Here you will get details like last backup, when you have last backup to your iPhone, backup size, and what will be the next backup size of your iPhone. So you can see that here my next backup size is 149.24 GB. That is more than the iCloud plan which currently I'm using. So if you are using free iCloud plan, you will get only 5 GB to back up your iPhone. So if you want to increase your iCloud plan, you will need to tap on this manage account storage and then change the storage plan, and from here you can select multiple options based on your requirement, how much space you want in your iCloud storage. So tap on anything you are required and after that upgrade your iCloud plan. If you don't want to upgrade to any paid plan and want to back up your iPhone in this free version of your iCloud storage, so just go back and tap on device backups and iCloud backup, and from here select your device under all device backups, and from here now you can disable the application which you don't want to back up. Just like that, my photo library is consuming 118.97 GB, so I'm just disabling it so that this will don't charge in my iCloud free storage plan. You can also tap on show all apps and from here you can disable the application which you don't want to be backed up as iCloud backup. After that just tap on backup now and this will start backing up your iPhone to iCloud. One more thing you can consider is your iPhone will start backing up automatically when you are connected to internet, just like Wi-Fi or cellular network, or your iPhone is logged and in charging position. Then your device will start automatically backing up your iPhone to iCloud. So guys, this is how you can back up your iPhone to iCloud. I hope you found this video helpful. If yes, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.